LINKMORE, cable assembly and wiring harness expert. We are a professional cable harness factory in China. We are expert in the design, manufacturing, of custom cable harness. We use automatic crimp machines, wire cutting, stripping machines for our production. We also use an automatic production line for mass quantity order. Cost effective. Rapid delivery. High quality. We have a lot of different mold. We could assemble many cable harness, such as overmolded cable, industrial cable, IDC cable, terminal cable, home appliance cable, waterproof cable, LVDS cable, Micro Coaxial Cable, any ODM project is welcome. Contact us now.